Hello, my name is Lachlan McInnes, and this is my presentation on quasi-clone detection from Java bytecode. Code clones are problematic within software engineering as it leads to unwanted problems such as bugs propagating within a codebase or wasting memory within a system. It also goes against the standard practice of object-oriented programming. Code clones can be classified as 4 different types, ranging from copy and pasted to semantically similar. Java bytecode as well is the compiled code which can be read by the Java virtual machine. The hope of this study is that by using instructions read by computers instead of human written source code, we are able to better identify code clones than current research. If we are successful in understanding how to identify code clones within bytecode, it will be a step forward in the space of code maintainability and performance. Current methods within research generally utilize the source code to identify code clones. Furthermore, there are many methods of string pattern matching which are yet to be implemented in the area of code clone detection. The scope of the work attempts to answer the research question: is the use of the Needleman-Wunsch algorithm a suitable measure for analyzing code clones? This alters from previous studies investigating either longest common subsequences or Smith-Waterman algorithms, as they look for local clones within a class or method instead of global clones. Throughout this report, we have effectively discussed background information required to understand the problem, current research in the area of code clone detection, and gaps in literature. We are also able to use a new tool developed with the Needleman-Wunsch algorithm on bytecode to detect code clones. We were also able to test this tool against current state-of-the-art tool known as NiCad and see the differences in code clone detection on the JHotDraw open source codebase. Our hypothesis for testing was that the Needleman-Wunsch algorithm was effective in detecting code clones in Java bytecode. When compared to NiCad, there were a large number of clones detected which were unique to each tool. However, both were able to detect 85 similar clones within the JHotDraw source code. Furthermore, by looking at the similarity score, when both found the same code clone, it was found that they gave very similar results. Finally, it was found that those which were unique to each tool were found to have either a low number of lines of code / bytecode instructions, or were very close to the minimum allowable similarity threshold, in this case 70%. This shows that the chosen method is effective when compared against a state-of-the-art tool, therefore should be investigated further to build upon its effectiveness. The current analysis was conducted on a small database, only 4 class files in the JHotDraw open source codebase. This would need to be tested on a larger scale, such as the Big Clone Bench, which has 8 million manually validated code clones. No analysis on the impact of changing the error weights within the Needleman-Wunsch calculation or its impact on accuracy was tested within this tool. Would need to investigate the precision and recall in future studies. Finally, it would be beneficial to test different similarity metrics to see if this would improve the accuracy of our tool. By doing this, we would be able to see if the Needleman-Wunsch tool is scalable, whilst also showing that specific metrics and weights are optimal for those wishing to investigate further.